Hey guys, imagine making gooey cafe style chocolate chip cookies with no eggs, no stand mixer, and barely any fuss. All in Blender. Yep, it's possible, and today I'll show you exactly how. Welcome back to Bake with Neetu. I am Neetu, and if you are here, this is where we make home baking super easy and delicious. In today's video, we are going to make the softest and the chewiest eggless chocolate chip cookies right in a blender with lots of chocolate. Perfect for beginners, perfect for family baking, and super kid friendly too. By the end of this video, you will have a cafe style cookies ready to bake in under 10 minutes. No stand mixer, no fancy skills, just your trusty blender. So let's get started. Let's start by preparing the sugar. Add half cup of brown sugar and half cup of regular sugar straight into your blender or mixer jar. Blend it for 20 seconds until the sugar is nicely powdered. Why do we do this? Well, powdered sugar helps the butter mix more smoothly so you get the creamy, dreamy cookie dough. Don't skip this step, it makes a huge difference in texture. Next, add in the half cup of room temperature unsalted butter, your powdered sugar in a blended jar. Important tip here, the butter should be soft but not melted. If it's melted, the cookies will spread too much. Add in 2 tablespoons of milk and now pulse the blender for about 1 minute until everything looks creamy and fluffy. If you need, scrape down the edges with a spatula. This step basically replaces the stand mixer, but trust me, the blender works great. Once it's creamy, pour out into a mixing bowl so we can finish the rest by hand. If you like this easy blender cookies recipe, give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to Bake with Neetu and hit that bell icon so you never miss any easy baking recipes. Drop a comment with what recipes you would like me to try next. I always love reading your ideas, and if you bake these cookies, tag me on Instagram. I would love to feature your creations. Now add in the 1 teaspoon of vanilla essence to the cream butter mixture. This brings the beautiful bakery-like aroma. Mix gently with a spatula. Now let's combine the dry ingredients. In a same bowl, start adding 1 cup of all-purpose flour, 1 tablespoon of cornstarch or corn flour. This makes cookie extra soft, trust me. 1/4 teaspoon of baking soda and a pinch of salt. Mix everything together with a spatula or using a hand. The dough will look crumbly at first, but keep folding and pressing until everything comes together and every dry bit gets combined with the wet ingredients. If it looks too dry, add just 1 teaspoon of milk, but don't overdo it. Okay, here's the best part. Fold in your chocolate chunks and the chocolate chips. I'm using 2/3 cups of chocolate. You can go wild if you love more chocolate. Just don't overload too much or the cookies won't hold the shape. Give it a gentle mix so that chocolate is spread evenly through the dough. Now line your baking tray with parchment paper. If you don't have a parchment paper, lightly grease the tray. Scoop out the dough with an ice cream scooper or even using by a spoon, make even sized balls. Place them on the tray, leaving space for spreading. Pro tip: refrigerate these dough balls for at least 30 minutes. That will stop them from too much spreading and gives you the best cafe style thick cookies. Bonus hack: freeze the cookie dough in a Ziploc bag for up to 3 months. Whenever you crave cookies, thaw, bake and enjoy fresh. Isn't that awesome? While the cookie dough chills, preheat your oven at 180 degrees Celsius or about 350 Fahrenheit for about 10 minutes. After chilling, bake the cookies for just 10 to 12 minutes. They might look soft and slightly overcooked. Do not overbake. Once they cool, they will firm up perfectly and stay gooey in the center. Overbaking is the number one mistake that makes cookies hard and dry. So watch your timer. Once they are baked, let them rest on the wire rack for 15 to 20 minutes. This is the hardest part, waiting. I can understand, but trust me, if you bite it too early, the cookie might fall apart because they are super soft. After cooling, they will hold their shape beautifully and be chewy with melted chocolate inside. Serve them with a cup of coffee or a glass of milk or even a scoop of vanilla ice cream if you feel indulgent. Here is the secret that I promised. You can swap all-purpose flour with whole wheat for a healthier twist and add chopped walnuts for that extra crunch. No eggs, no compromise on taste, and you will even make them gluten-free with oats flour. If you want a video on that, drop me a comment below. So to recap, you learned how to blend your sugar, butter in a blender, mix simple dry ingredients, add lots of chocolate, chill and bake the perfect gooey eggless cookies. If you like this easy blender cookies recipe, give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to Bake with Neetu and hit that bell icon so you never miss any easy baking recipes. Drop a comment with what recipes you would like me to try next. I always love reading your ideas, and if you bake these cookies, tag me on Instagram. I would love to feature your creations. See you in the next video.